Dear friends, how are you? Today I want to take you to a totally different journey. We are starting a new concept today called 52. Now, what is 52? What is in 52? We will talk in the next session. Just to start today, we will talk about the prelude. Like any song has a prelude before it. So, we will tune up some kind of a prelude to begin with. Okay? And that starts with a couple of questions. Okay, so ask yourself, am I completely satisfied with my life? Okay, question number one. Second, do I think that it's just impossible to achieve complete satisfaction in life? Okay, so let's ponder over these questions. We will not go very much in detail because I want to keep very short sessions. We can ponder it over later on and then we can discuss it. Okay, now if the reply to both the inquiries, okay, I'll just repeat once again. Question number one is, am I completely satisfied with my life? Question number two is, do I think that it's just impossible to achieve complete satisfaction in life? Okay, now if the reply to both the queries is yes, I'm afraid that these 52 sessions might not just help, but also I believe that there are very less chances that everyone would be kind of completely satisfied with their own life. Okay, however, we'll go on. In the existing world, okay, I would contemplate that an average lifespan of a human being is roughly around 70 years. I mean, there are people who live beyond 70, 80, 90, but on an average, let's contemplate that it's around 70 years. Now, what this means is that in the entire life, okay, consisting of this said average of 70 years, I get approximately 3,640 weeks to live. Okay, while writing this, I myself have completed more than half of those weeks in my life. I'm talking about myself. So that is, I'm very much on the second half of my life. Okay, this is just an average calculation. Now, bearing in mind that I have from my birth 3640 rupees, okay, at the time of my birth or at the time of my start, okay, to spend, of which I have already, if I have already spent more than half of it, what would I do with the remaining? Okay, the choice is either I spend the remainder the way I spent the first half, or else I transform my perspective of spending in the second half. Now what do I do in case I opt for a transformation, right? I may think of experimenting something by investing 364 days, that is 1 by 70th of my considered average, means 1 year basically. Okay, so I want to spend 365 days 1 year of the average time allotted in executing this small piece of work which we are going to discuss, which is nothing but 52. But what is it? We'll come to it later on, as I earlier said. Well, I have an option of pondering over this 52 different topics thoroughly and completely, and then I can choose to implement the same or maybe no. Okay, so it's my choice. So let's begin in the next session what is 52, and in the subsequent 52 sessions we will cover one by one each and every topic. So this entire session will comprise of 54 different parts, today being the prelude, tomorrow being the background of 52, and from day after, one by one each and every topic to be read, learned and pondered over. Okay, thank you so much for your time and God bless you all. Thank you so much.